Hi, do you know who I am? I'm Steve DePoe with the Rose Realty team. We've likely met before. I do an open house at 50 Cimarron Drive in Trophy Club almost every other weekend. Now look, 50 Cimarron Drive is a really nice house, recently remodeled. It's currently listed at 525. It's got three bedrooms, two and a half baths. It's got that nice real double-sided fireplace between the kitchen and the family room. It's got large closets, and it's around 2,058 square feet. It's got a nice backyard, two-car garage. Okay, nice fenced-in backyard and a two-car garage. Now I'm doing an open house there again this weekend from 1 to 3 on Saturday. Now for all of you who stop by and register, I'm going to put you in a drawing for a $100 gift certificate to Social Oak. Have you been to Social Oak? I've been there. It's a nice place. If you haven't been there before, maybe this will be your chance to go there, have a nice adult beverage, and maybe a little something to eat. So again, we're doing an open house from 1 to 3 on Saturday. Come on, stop by and enter to win a $100 gift certificate to Social Oak. I'm Steve DePoe. I am with the Rose Realty team, part of Keller Williams. Come on by, keep me company.